Where is the future of aesthetics going? Take a closer look, and we'll show you. Sylton's technology doesn't replace your expertise. They elevate it. OBSERV 520x enhances aesthetic consultation, showing patients unbiased proof and giving you images to diagnose any number of skin concerns. Whether you're a dermatologist or esthetician, OBSERV builds confidence for you and loyalty for your practice, all at the speed of light. Our 520x captures images for 10 light modes in 10 seconds, making it the fastest skin diagnostic technology available. Take clients on an in-depth skin tour and show them why you recommend what you recommend. Capture the ideal before and after photos with consistent face positioning. Avoid bulky, outdated screens and use our iPad app for a cloud-compatible, human-centered experience. And move or relocate with zero effort whatsoever. Sylton's innovations deliver real ROI, an investment that inspires and helps you be seen like the true expert you are. This is where the future of aesthetics is going. This is OBSERV 520x, powered by Sylton. Get yours now.